Hello guys, what's up? Diamond Demons here and the Holy Ghost here. Today in this video, we are playing episode 2 of Bloons Monkey City. You remember when I said the crap? Oh, sorry. I thought something happened. But remember when I told you guys about that story? Let me tell that to you guys now. Let me just read this. Tap on building after it has finished to complete. But let me tell you what happened. This happened like a week ago, and so I was going to my mom and my dad and my friend Zach. We were going to my mom's friend's diaper shower, whatever it is, and it's a very short story, but because I just want to tell you guys how like the doctor happened and stuff. And let me just get straight to the point. We just got there, and we were just going to see my friend Kaden, and sorry, I just cannot concentrate. But we just got there, and we just see a kid hitting Kaden, and he said get Kaden, and it's like I said, grab me one. And I started hitting him. Then he started running, and I started running. But then I just lost my balance, and then I hit like the pole, on that pool, and I was like, ooh, that hurted. But they were all like, and I was like, it felt like it hurt a little. But then I touched because it happened on my forehead, touched my forehead, and I saw all the blood. It was blood was dripping down through my nose, and it was falling to the ground. And my mom was like, what the heck happened? And I told her that what happened. And my dad came out, and he said, what happened? And and my mom told him. And so he rushed to the hospital. They asked about my information, and I was good. So I lost nothing. So we went to the doctors. Well, we went to the hospital, and they stitched my forehead. They were almost about to shave my head, my bangs. I don't like that. But we're good. But they stitched it, and in a few days they're gonna remove the stitches. But that's my story. So maybe all the Diamond Demons know of what happened. So what should we buy? Well, we should take this back, so we can have a little more. Quest from friends. Let's attack. Let's attack for episode 2 of Monkey City. Bloons Monkey City. Okay. Oh. Crap. We just lost one. Ugh. Good. So we have to save this for 6 rounds. Monkeys. Yes. Good. We started doing pretty good. This game's really fun, actually. If you guys never seen episode 1, watch that before you watch episode 2. And I'm starting off our series. Monkey, you better be paying attention. Yeah, you better be paying attention. Yeah, yes, my monkeys are paying attention. Good for them. So we could buy a tack shooter house so we can have that. Come on. We can do it. Final round. Come on, if we can do this, we'll be good. We'll be good. We could buy a attack shooter. With the attack shooter, will be great. You know, if you guys want to like contact us or like send us like something, like some fan mail of us, we put our email in the description. So like you guys could like so you can send us stuff. What? Let's restart. Let's try that again. Let's attack. That was not that good. Dude, most music forever. I just don't want to go fast, so like you'll miss it. So if you guys hear that stuff in the background, I'm still at my uncle's house. But I'm gonna record 2 videos today of a day of Bloons Monkey City. So look out for 3 and 4 tomorrow. Or if I want to record 3 and 4, because I love this. Because I'm now starting to love this game. Now this is a sign that we're gonna need that. Please go to the pins. No! Okay, now let's go with round 2. We can have that there. Now, monkey, you better do your job! Hope so we can survive. So we can buy some more land. Oh yeah, I'm so happy I put that monkey there. Monkey. Ooh, we're doing good. I need to stop that before I jinx it. We're doing good. About round 5. Well, I lost like 2. Oh. Ooh. Good, good. Final round. We can do this. Dude, this game's so fun. I recommend that you guys download this. I recommend. We did it! Tap on building after it's finished. Oh yeah, we already read that. But we did it, guys! We did it! Yes! Now we can buy that tack. Yeah, captured a heavy forest. New building unlocked. What? Have a new building unlocked? Let's have tack shooters. See, now we have the tack shooters there. Our monkey banks are bursting at the seams. It cannot fit in any more city cash. We should build more banks or spend some cash before collecting from our farms. I think I should upgrade this thing. We have to be at level 15. Which is great. Oh yeah, we need to get Monkey Academy. Yeah, and he doesn't need to be inside. I like to say that's crap. Yep, let's finish that. Yes, we finally got the tax tower, guys. We finally got it. That's really good. So, hope you guys really do like this first episode. Second episode of Bloons Monkey City. So let's let me exit. I'll be happy. Why is this not letting me exit? What the crap? What the crap? Please let me exit. Dude, really? Dude, really? Dude, really? Oh, sorry. Sorry guys, but sorry, but that didn't